So the Rode Wireless Go 2's have been the best wireless microphone for content creation for a couple years now. I'm going to show you why picking up the AnkerWork M650 might be the better choice. I worked really hard on this video, so if you have a free second, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Both of these microphones were sent to me from Rode and AnkerWork for review. I've been using the Rode Wireless Go 2's for about a year now for making my TikToks. They have always had amazing sound quality, but they have had some flaws, especially when trying to use them with your iPhone. I recently got the M650's and they've improved on almost every flaw that the Wireless Go 2's have. Both mics are very similar when it comes to specs and price. The Wireless Go 2's cost $299 with the 2 microphones and receiver, and the M650 comes in at $250 for the 2 microphones and receiver. So the M650's are coming in at $50 cheaper and have more features than the Wireless Go 2's. So first off, with the Wireless Go 2's, you only receive a cheap little carrying pouch, and if I remember correctly, I just threw it out after unboxing it. With the M650's, you get this really nice hard charging case that can give you a little over 2 extra charges for each microphone. I had to buy this third-party charging case for the Wireless Go 2's, and if I remember correctly, they cost about $40 to $50. So right off the bat, the M650's are winning in the best wireless microphone in my opinion. So both microphones have a 200-meter range, and I've seen tons of content creators testing that out, so I really don't see the need to test that out. Plus, I don't want to leave the house. Both have a 7-hour battery life and can have 7 hours of internal uncompressed audio storage. The Rode can store up to 40 hours of compressed audio if needed. The Rode and AnkerWork have dual channel audio, so both microphones can be recorded individually or merged onto the same track. When I first got the Wireless Go 2's, I thought it was a super cool feature to be able to clip your receiver onto the cold shoe mount of your camera. Now this is where the M650 took that idea and improved on it. When the Rode clips onto your camera, the screen is on top of the receiver, so if you're recording solo like I am, you can't see it. The screen on the M650 receiver is on the front. Now I know that might not sound like a big deal to you, but for me, it gave me peace of mind seeing that little volume bar going up and down as I talk. So that's another big win for the AnkerWork M650. All the mics have very nice clips, but once again the M650 is slightly better. Instead of having to clip it to your clothing, possibly leaving marks, the M650 has a super strong magnet to be able to stick to the inside of your clothing. And if you're not keeping track, that's 3 wins for the AnkerWork. Now moving on to using the microphones with your smartphone, and this is where the M650's win with a landslide. In the Wireless Go 2 box, you get a TRRS to a TRS cable, and that's for connecting to the receiver to your phones. So if you have any phone without a headphone jack, you'll have to carry an adapter. You can use a USB-C to USB-C for your Android phones, but you're going to have to use the dongle for your iPhone. For the M650, you don't need any extra cables or dongles. It comes with a USB-C and Lightning connection in the case. Both connections attach right to the receiver and plug directly into your phones. Again, the receiver screen is facing you as you record so you can see the mic levels. The benefit of the receiver plugging directly into your phone is so you don't have to have your receiver hanging from your phone as you record. And now that's 4 wins for the AnkerWork. The screen on the M650 is a touchscreen for easy control. If you swipe right, it goes to mic 1 settings. If you swipe left, it goes to the second mic settings. In the mic settings, you can mute the mic, hit record, or change the decibel level. Swiping down lets you change the noise reduction level and the audio tracks. In the top right corner, you can see the 3 dots, and that goes to the menu to turn the safe mode on to record a backup track. Or you can change the aux to the high or the low. Both microphones do have dead cats that just clip straight onto the microphone. Now I want to add that both cases don't have room to store the dead cats, so you have to carry them separately. And now on to the microphone quality test. I wanted to record through my camera, so there's no EQ, there's no apps, this is directly what the microphone sounds like. And this is the microphone test of the Wireless Go 2's. If you're not following me on Twitch, drop a follow. I stream Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 5 p.m. Eastern. And this is the microphone test of the M650's. If you're not following me on TikTok, that's where I post all my unboxings and short form content and stream clips. Now, I'm no expert in audio, so it's harder for me to pick which microphone's better, but I do prefer the Wireless Go 2's just slightly. Now, the price difference between the Wireless Go 2's and the M650's, plus the improvements of the M650's, make this a better microphone overall, in my opinion.